This video looks at a nice problem involving averages. We know that someone plays 4 games of golf and that this person, Jenny, has a modal score of 76, the mode being the most frequent. So this means that of the 4 games of golf, her score of 76 occurs the most. We know the mean score, i.e. the 4 games added up and then divided by 4, gives the answer 75, and the range, which is the biggest score, take away the smallest score, gives an answer of 10. And we're going to work out what the 4 scores are. Now to do this, we just use a bit of logic and common sense. So there's 4 missing scores. And we know that at least 2 of the scores must be 76. So the mode is 76. So let's suppose you have 2 scores of 76. So the question is what are the other 2 scores? Now then, the mean is 75. So if we know the mean is 75 and there were 4 games of golf, then I can find the total. The total of all 4 games has got to be the mean, which is 75, times by the number of games. 75 times by 4 equals 300. The total is 300 because 300 divided by 4 gives the answer for the mean, which is 75. Now we know 2 scores already. Now 76 plus 76 is 152. The total is 300, so the 2 missing scores must add to 300, take away 152, which is 148. So let's just take a complete random guess. Suppose that one of the scores was 70 and the other score was 78. They both add to 148. Let's put those in and see what happens. Now, we have the right mode, because the mode is 76. The 4 scores I've made sure add to 300, so therefore the mean is right. However, the range, the biggest take the smallest, in this case is only 78 take away 70, which is 8. And I want the range to be 10. So, to make this correct, if I decrease this by 1, then to keep the correct total, I must increase that by 1. To check, the mode is still 2. The range, biggest take away smallest, is still 10. And if you add up the 4 scores, we get 300. And 300 divided by 4, because there are 4 games, is 75. So therefore, the mode is correct, the mean is correct, and the range, biggest take smallest, is now also correct. So the 4 scores were 69, 76, 76, and 79.